channel. If you're watching me for the first time, then my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. Today's video is a very exciting video. Like, I am super nervous, thrilled and excited at the same time for this entire video. Now, I do really hope that I do well and I do justice to everything because I've been loving this brand. Like, literally, this has been a game changer already. Without any further blabbering, let's just begin with today's video. So today I'm gonna unbox a package which I received from the brand called Pilgrim. So I'm quickly just gonna unbox it in front of you guys. I am absolutely loved these products. These are like so great and amazing at the same point. So this is Retinol Under Eye Cream and this one is Retinol Night Cream. So today's video is all about this particular brand called Pilgrim. Now it says that join the journey. I absolutely love their logo. Like, literally it's just so minimalistic in the same way, but it's so cool. I love their logo. So this brand, of course, so this one we have is that Retinol Night Cream with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. And next which we have is Retinol Under Eye Cream, which is also with the same vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So today I'm gonna be doing kind of a review, kind of like my honest review on it, kind of tell you about the brand. You know, it's a bit more of an insightful video for you guys if you haven't come across this brand or if you don't know about this. It's absolutely amazing. Pilgrim is a global brand bringing natural beauty traditions from all across the world under one platform, having ingredients sourced globally. All the products are made in India and are cruelty free. So one major thing which I absolutely love about it, it's made in India, it's cruelty free, and what else do you want from a product? Nowadays we are always in the hunt to look for products which are cruelty free and everything, paraben free, and don't have those toxic chemicals in them, because we really don't want our skin to get hampered in any way. So retinol, also known as vitamin A, is a vitamin in the vitamin A family found in food and used as a dietary supplement. As a supplement, it is ingested to treat and prevent vitamin A deficiency. I must say that how does retinol work on your skin? Retinols reduce fine lines and wrinkles by increasing the production of collagen. They also stimulate the production of new blood vessels in the skin, which improves skin color. Additional benefits includes fading age spots and softening rough patches on the skin. So the benefits of it are prevents wrinkles due to its minimizing effect, as well as smooth out the existing fine lines and wrinkles, brighten dull skin by exfoliating at a cellular level, which increases or results in brighter and smoother new skin, regulate oily skin and minimize breakouts. So let's just first quickly unbox Retinol Night Cream. I absolutely loved their packaging. Like, I'm being super honest with you all. There's no point in like hiding anything or keeping things to myself. I'm being super honest. I absolutely loved their packaging. I'm like so glad. So let me just, this is the Retinol Night Cream. I'll just read out. The night cream is crafted by enhancing your skin's natural repair process as you sleep. Retinol accelerates the skin renewal process and enhances the collagen production, which I said already. Hyaluronic acid, being a powerful water binder, improves skin elastic feel and infuses precious moisture back into the deep layers of the skin. Vitamin C further enhances efficacy by fading hyperpigmented areas, brightening skin and neutralizing free radicals. Miracle in a jar, that's what we call it. I mean, I also would call it miracle in a jar. So the MRP of this one is rupees 650, but I'm pretty sure that you will get discount if you use my code. It will be mentioned on the screen and also in the description box down below. So I'll just quickly read out. It's sulfate free, paraben free, it has got minerals, oils and toxic free. So it is 100% vegan, it is cruelty free, tested by friends and family, no parabens, no sulfate, no toxic 20 chemicals and FDA approved. Like, what else do you need? So let's just quickly go ahead and unbox. Now another thing which I wanted to mention, you'll see that there are like leaves embossed on the packaging as well, which I absolutely love. It just brings up a whole new level of packaging. I really loved it. I'm being super honest. This is what comes out. This is the product. Now overall the product, the logo embossing part and the packaging and everything is just super cool. And which I also love is that they have few things written inside the box as well. You will see that it's written over here, it's written here. So I'll just quickly read out one. We crafted the beauty of Jeju into a sensorical escape from the fast pace of daily life. I absolutely love your packaging, Pilgrim. I absolutely loved it. Like, look at it. Let me know in the comment section down below as to like how you're finding it out, whether you're finding it interesting and everything. So it comes with a small spatula. I remember talking about companies bringing in a small spatula because it just gets a bit more easier for in the application process, and thank you so much for it. It's just so cool. So let's just quickly open it up and show it to you. This is the night cream. So I'll quickly just show it to you. What am I supposed to say about the fragrance? It's so fresh. It's just so refreshing. It's absolutely refreshing. I like, if at all it would have been possible for me to teleport this fragrance to my audience, to my lovely Shreya fam, you would have loved it. It's so refreshing. It's calming at the same time. It's refreshing, and I really loved it. Texture of it, I would say it's the perfect texture which you can absolutely find it. I'll just quickly show it to you. So just look at the texture. It's not greasy, it's not sticking like, you know, some creams which you find that would be sticking on your skin, making it a bit more oily. And mind it, it's for all skin types. Now you don't have to worry about your skin type being oily or dry. Now look at it. The texture is so good. It just gives a very calming effect to your skin as well, and just look at it. It just feels so hydrated at the same time as well. I absolutely love it. The texture 100 on 100, the fragrance and everything 100 on 100. And I'll just quickly tell you guys about the application of it as to how you're supposed to apply it on your skin. Massage a pea-sized amount using the gentle upward and outward strokes until the cream is absorbed fully. As I show it to you guys, you know, you have to gently massage it on the skin until it gets, like, you'll see that it's absolutely absorbed in my skin already. So you'll have to gently massage. Apply 2 to 3 hours before going to bed this is a tip. Apply 2 to 3 hours before going to bed for better absorption of the product. What else do you need? It's like absolutely miracle in a jar, I would say. It's absolutely amazing. And you all know by now that I am a big sucker for skincare products and, you know, things that work out well, which are paraben free, FDA approved, of course. Now what else? Best one so far, and I'm really super happy with it. It's like super great. Next we are coming towards the retinol under eye cream. Now the MRP of this one is rupees 450. I'll quickly tell you guys, it's absolutely 100% vegan, cruelty free, tested by friends and family, no parabens, no toxic 20 chemicals, and FDA approved. So I'll just quickly tell you guys the direction. Post cleaning, that is after you have cleansed your face, gently dab along the contour of the eye using the ring finger, as in this finger where you get engaged in anti-clockwise motion. Avoid contact with eyes. For best results, do not apply any pressure and let the cream sit on the skin and absorb on its own. So one major tip of this one is a retinol under eye cream is that you don't have to pressurize yourself on massaging it. It will just gently absorb in the skin automatically. So we'll quickly show. Amazing. It's just 5-star on packaging. Love the cute mini spatula, the wooden spatula, and let's just quickly show it to you guys. It's great. Quickly just gonna talk about the key ingredients of the retinol or the Pilgrim ingredients. Argan oil. Argan oil is known as nature's liquid gold, is a plant oil extracted from kernels of the argan tree, camellia, cocoa butter, hyaluronic acid, shea butter, vitamin C, vitamin E, and volcanic lava ash. So the process of the application of this is that for after post cleaning, gently dab along the contour of the eye using the ring finger and in anti-clockwise motion. For best results, don't apply any pressure and let the cream sit on the skin and absorb it automatically. So I'll just quickly tell you guys, it's 100% vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, tested by friends and family, no sulfate, no toxic 20 chemicals, and it is FDA approved. So I'm quickly just gonna open it for you guys. You guys will see I absolutely love their packaging. It's super pretty. I love how they have got details of the leaves going on. You will see like the leaves going on over here. I absolutely loved it. I've never seen such a beautiful and pretty packaging ever. You will see the inside part of it is also very beautiful. So coming towards the cream, it has got a wooden small cute little spatula which I absolutely loved, which they actually thought about including it in the box because it's really necessary. So cute little logo embossed on top. I'm just gonna quickly show it to you guys, the consistency of it, the texture of it, you guys will be able to understand. The texture of it is somewhat like this. If only I could transport the fragrance to you guys, you would have understand as to what I'm talking about. It's refreshing in a bottle. It's absolutely amazing. I'm quickly just going to show you guys the application process. You take it, a bit of it, and clockwise and in anti-clockwise motion. Now what I'm suggesting is that don't put any pressure, as in you would apply the pressure as you were moisturizing. So for this one, don't apply any such pressure, just let it sink it in the skin and it will just absorb in your skin automatically. The cream, as you all can see, it's non-greasy. It does not feel like it's greasy and it's oily. It's nothing of that sort. I absolutely loved it. And just look at it. I think that within span of 5 to 10 seconds, it just soaks in your skin automatically, and it smells amazing. I have to say, I'm really impressed, and I'm highly recommending it. If you guys want to purchase any of their products, or you're willing to purchase the Pilgrim product, as it's very important these days to find products which are actually sulfate free and cruelty free and free from toxic chemicals and FDA approved. It's really important for us to invest in such products which wouldn't harm our skin in any of the ways, which has got natural ingredients all the way going in. So finding out such products is a very tough deal, because there are so many different brands who have promise so many different things, but I genuinely love the products which are natural, which has got natural ingredients and which are chemical free. So I would highly recommend to include any of their products, any of their range in your skincare routine, and you will absolutely love it. Take it from me, you will absolutely love it. It smells really great, and the best part in it's non-sticky feel. Vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and the price is totally value for money. You would see that there are so many different serums, so many different creams coming up in the market saying that it's vitamin C, it's good for your skin, it brightens up your skin, but at the pocket pinch price, you would really have all these things, and this brand is the best one. The MRP of this one is rupees 450, but if you apply my coupon code, you would get additional discount. It will be mentioned on the screen, as well as every detail will be mentioned in the description box down below. I will also mention their website link as well, and as to how many platforms you might be able to purchase this product from. Everything will be mentioned in the description box down below. I would really suggest, go for it, go for this brand. You will absolutely love it. You will absolutely fall in love. Spread it with your family, spread it among your friends who are actually in need, and they'll thank you for the rest of your life. That was it for today's video, guys. I do really hope that you guys had enjoyed this video thoroughly, and if you guys are interested in purchasing the products which I've shown you right now, all the links will be mentioned in the description box down below. The Instagram store, their Instagram page link, and if you guys want to purchase by using my personalized code, you will get extra discount. So all those things will be mentioned in the description box down below, as well as on the screen. So you guys definitely can go ahead and purchase it. It would really mean a lot, because under my review and everything, you guys are purchasing it. So it just means that you guys are trusting me, and trust me on this part, this product has been really amazing. I never really came across this product until I got my hands on this, and it's super amazing. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and share it among your friends. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.